This is that Man I Trust Toppy, Billie Toppy. Mostly it centers around this riff of D. And then you can go to the C briefly and then slide back up to D. It kind of has a slightly different rhythm, but you know, between the first time and the second time. All right, and then at the end of the verse, they go F, G, and then they go back to that D riff. That little run there is similar, but you go F, B flat, G, E flat, D. And then that's how it goes into the chorus, right? We go B flat, you can also do that riff kind of like a hammer on if you want. The different ways you can play it. That's just a couple. All right, thanks for watching. Have fun playing that. Bye.